Flipkart is one of India's largest and most influential e-commerce companies, widely recognized for transforming the country's online shopping landscape. Flipkart's API ecosystem has evolved into a robust integration layer that allows software developers to directly connect their solutions to Flipkart's e-commerce marketplace. The Flipkart Developer API is an essential tool for software developers building and developing e-commerce-focused applications, reliable and scalable integrations around India's largest e-commerce ecosystem. For SaaS developers working on OMS, ERP, shipping, analytics, or multi-channel e-commerce platforms, the integration with the Flipkart Developer API allows to implement valuable features for Flipkart sellers. The API follows the principles of REST, representational state transfer, meaning it is stateless and uses HTTP methods, get, post, put, and delete, to perform actions and support all essential e-commerce workflows. The data exchanged between your system and Flipkart's API is in JSON format. Authentication and security in the Flipkart Developer API follow an OAuth-based model that ensures controlled and token-driven access. Software developers can retrieve, create, and update product listings, maintain real-time inventory levels, ingest new orders the moment they are placed, trigger fulfillment and shipping actions, and process events related to returns, cancellations, and settlements. This creates a streamlined data flow that reduces operational latency and allows SaaS products to deliver accurate, up-to-date marketplace information to end users. Flipkart Developer API integration also enables software to expand their customer base. However, developing a direct integration with the Flipkart Developer API requires time, money, and resources, and ongoing maintenance. API2Cart's unified API simplifies the process of integrating with the Flipkart Developer API. API2Cart enables software developers to integrate their SaaS with 60+ e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Flipkart, Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, Etsy, Wix, BigCommerce, OpenCart, Shopee, TikTok Shop, and others at once, all through a single integration. It also offers 100+ API methods to manage and sync valuable store data, such as orders, products, customers, inventory, shipments, and more. As a result, this unified approach saves time, minimizes maintenance expenses, and provides a scalable and easy Flipkart API integration development. Contact us today and explore how to develop Flipkart API integration via API2Cart easily. Start your 14-day free trial right now.